What I find really interesting as kind of a backlash to that is there's a lot of people who were raised Christian and maybe were like either hurt or repelled by Christians. And now they're actually going back to this Jesus that they've always known to and been like, wait a minute, I know Jesus and Jesus is not down to hurt people.
That's another reason I stay Christian. Some people are like, wow, the Christians are so bad right now that makes me not want to be Christian. I want to distance myself from that. And that makes sense. But I actually do the opposite of that. I'm like, wow, the Christians are so bad right now. And how dare they get his name out of your mouth? Like, I'm not going to let you, the worst people in the country, represent my guy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to let the people with the worst opinions who don't know how to love their neighbors say, like, this is what Christianity is. I guess there's a stubbornness in me that's like, yeah, I'm going to stay Christian because I think that the Christians that are the loudest are not really representing the way of Jesus.